All right, now since we covered composites, the next lesson I want to go into is what makes up the composites, the building materials and surfaces. So let's start off with surfaces first. So as you can see, the naming convention is similar. Again, using underscores here. Started off with, for surfaces, master format ID number. As far as you want to take it. Usually the first two, sometimes I'll do all the way to the full 6 with an underscore, and then give it a surface ID or a material ID that's specific to this kind of this material. So you'll see like, and then after the underscore, it kind of gives a description of the material that can be used in using those smart tags in the favorites. So yeah, basically surfaces have been organized. Again, there's a generic, then organized by master format. Flooring, I've kind of broken down into some more subsets. Same with interior finishes. There's the colors. There's more colors that I added. So get a little bit more of a rainbow for colors, not as many grays that we had. If you don't want to use colors and you want to just kind of like, there's also just a paint as well, but you can kind of go through here and see just the different stuff. But the main thing I want to point out is, again, making use of the naming convention, making sure that's consistent, using the underscore between master format number and whatever material ID you want to do. So just kind of keep things consistent with what's in the template. And then if you add anything, the smart tags, you won't run into any issues. So that's basically surfaces. And then surfaces feed into building materials. So pull this window over. So again, it's the same kind of thing. Just on building materials, it's just the material ID, or the master format ID, and then a description. That's how these are built out. The generic doesn't really work, but you'll kind of see that's how all these are built out, with just the master format number. And again, they're all organized by master format, and they'll pull in their surface. The one thing I want to also point out is we make use of this description in a different label type that I'll go through once we start doing wall sections. I'll show you the difference of why like this description here at the end of the tag with the master format number is the same as just the description here in the ID and categories. So those get separated for a different type of label. So that's kind of just the one thing. I've gone through and scrubbed it so that they should all be the same. So that's building materials really quickly. So I just wanted to, again, show how that was organized. And as you can see too here, the pens have already been preset to like their associated pen number. So you shouldn't have to worry about this. Things should come in where they're supposed to come in, what color. But you can kind of see this is the metal fab hatch. That's the lines that go on top of, it's the line in the dash. And then the metal fab fill is white. So again, that's the pen settings kind of flow through to there as well. And that is it for composite building materials and surfaces. Sorry.